Oh my god, it's been long I vlog last. Welcome back again to my channel. So this video I'm going to be joining it with the other videos. Okay, today is if it's one is today's day. Okay, I think today is 19th of March. Okay, yeah, so my baby clock for 3 months on 18th of March. It's been long I vlogged last because I was posting gist gist. I don't know. You see, vlogging is not easy. Vlogging is not easy. But you know, in my channel, people have known me like when I posted in my community tab that my video is not doing well again. YouTube is not showing my video to people. Okay, when I check my video reach, I'll be seeing 15, 10, 5. 40. How do you expect video reach that is 40 to do well? This is unfair. It's hurting me. So when I posted, somebody told me, commented that she followed me, she subscribed to my channel through my vlog. Okay, when I was through the video I posted my kids, me and my kids, and she liked watching us. Okay, but you know what, you know why I started posting gist? You understand, vlogging is something you can't be posting every day. Like if you want to do it, you want to be posting every day, it's not going to be easy for you. Me as a mother, it's not easy for me, seriously. It's not easy for me to vlog, it's not easy for me to make a video. So posting vlog every day is not easy, and this is the only way you can earn. If you're posting 3 times a week and your video is not doing well, you're not going to earn. It may take you the whole year to earn something. That is the truth. And you see what, I am not here to show my face, honestly speaking. Let me be honest. I am not on YouTube to show my face. I'm on YouTube to make a living. Yes, I am a mom of 3. I work from home. Are you getting me? Gone are those days we leave everything for husband. Yes, if you're doing something that you are seeing little money, yes, you see, anybody that see you will know that something is different. You're a boss lady. Are you getting me? You can buy things when you feel like buying. You get that? Like women outside there making your own money. Please, if you're feeling me, just let me know. There is the joy that comes when you're making your own money, even if no matter how little it is. There is this joy that comes with it. So that is it. You understand? It's not as if you don't make the money, your family is not going to feed, or maybe you're making the money to feed the family or that. But there is the joy that comes when you make. If you see beautiful clothes, you want to buy it with your own money. When your husband come back home, you say, "Baby, I bought this." There is this joy that comes with it, and there's this respect. That is it. So that one is by the way. Okay, so I am on YouTube to make money. I'm not here to show my face. Okay, I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to make friends because I know YouTube have helped me. I've known a lot of people, okay, abroad and home, Nigeria here. So I've known a lot of people. But so why I started posting gist is that I've seen my earning in like when I post one video, like vlog. The highest my vlog has gone is 1K views. That is the highest my vlog has gone. And you know, at times even 1K view cannot give you $1. That is the truth. And other videos, maybe 200, 300, 400, 100 views. Some will not reach 100 views. Just calculate what I'm making. And at times I post my vlog 4 times a week, at times 3 times a week. I am not earning anything. It will take me time to cash out. That is why I say, okay, let me bring gist. Let me be posting gist and be posting vlog. But I don't know if the gist videos I'm making, whether it's doing a harm to my channel rather than good. Okay, when I started posting gist, it was actually doing amazing. Like I was God. If this thing continue like this, all of a sudden the thing stopped going. I'm not getting views again. What I will do is that I will not abandon vlog, okay? Since some people have said that they like watching me and my kids, okay? So I will be doing vlogging and gist, because I thought of creating gist channel. I already have another channel, Mokoban channel. It's not even easy for me to be posting that Mokoban channel. You get that? Because my baby is still small. I have a year plus baby. I have 4 years plus, okay? My bigger baby is 4 years and 2 months. The one that followed him is a year and 8 months. She will be a year and 9 months when this month clock, what 27th of this month, March. And I have a baby that just clocked 3 months yesterday, being 18th of March. So my kids are still small. It is not easy for me. At times when I want to film my mukbang video, video that is not vlog. Okay, there was a time I started making videos, mukbang video with my son. When he's disturbing, maybe if I'm eating and I want to video myself, he will be disturbing. He want to show his face, so I now allow him to be eating with me, because he has seen camera. He like putting his face when he see camera. So that video they said that YouTube removed the video. I don't know why. So because of that, I would have made it me and my kids eating, but I don't know, maybe I'll still try it again, because I used to see people posting with their kids, but I don't know why YouTube removed that video for me. Okay, so that is that one. And another thing is it's not easy for me to be posting that, making that mukbang video. If not, I would have even be posting every day, because definitely every day I eat food, and to God be the glory. It's not as if the food I'm eating in my house is not good. Even if a lot of meat are not there, but I know that I shall eat with meat, egg, fish. You get that? But it is not easy to make video. It is not easy to vlog. You want to cook, okay, and you will put your camera. After his baby will be crying. You won't even know what to do again. It will look as if you want to live all your life on social media. Okay? But this gist of a thing, I find it easy, very easy. You can post as many as videos in a day without going through stress. Are you getting me? So that makes it easier for me. It can post, so even if the video is not doing well, and if you can be able to post like 3 times a day, if you can be able to post like 4 times a day, if you can be able to post every day, if you can once in a day, if you can be able to post 2 times in a day, even if the video is not doing well, you will calculate this one, and it will come up. Maybe even if at least you will be earning something. So that was why I decided to bring gist to this channel. So what I will be doing, because I thought of creating gist channel, is not easy. It's not going to be easy, and it is not even easy to grow a channel. Okay, talk more of having 3 channels. Even if I want to have 3 channels, it's not now. Let my kids come up, okay, so that it will be easy for me. By the time you want to do something, you can just tell them, oh yeah, people should be on your own. It will be easy for me. My girl, the girl that is staying with me, my girl she's not adult. She's just 13 years. So almost everything I'm the one doing it. It's just when I want to do some things, she will just be with the kids. She's not the one cooking for me. She's not the one tidying up some areas. Are you getting it? So it is not easy. I'm using this opportunity. I don't know how viral this video is going to go. I thought of vlogging, like I want to cook jollof rice now. I don't know, but I said let me just use this opportunity to say this. So I will be bringing gist here. I'll be posting gist and I'll be vlogging too. So maybe I'll make it, if it's easy, if it's supposed to vlog once in a week or twice in a week, then gist. If I can be making gist every day, and that is what I will do, so that I won't leave that vlog that some people subscribe because of it. So let me just try and maintain my 2 channels now. Okay, because if I say let me create gist channel now, it's not going to be, and it's not as if everyday video will be doing well. If video will be doing well, if I create it, it's okay. So that is it, guys. So I want to make jollof rice, and I'm hungry, I'm growing. So we are preparing to do child dedication. So it will be on 24th of March. Okay, so I think I'm going to discuss about that one in another video. Okay, so this is the pot. This is the pot I want to use. So this is the pot I want to use for the jollof rice. Okay, so I'll be using chicken in the freezer. Okay, because we are preparing for the church dedication. Okay, so I'll be making the hair tomorrow. I think the vlog is going to be in another video. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, support me any way you can support me. I'm a mom hustling to survive. Okay, help me, help me. Gone are those days when you will come to social media and form ajibo, form this, form that, just to no, I'm saying it the way it is in my heart. Support me in any way you can support me. Support a mom that works from home. Support me. Okay, subscribe. Okay, you can as well, help me in any way. Click on the thanks button to super chat. Join my membership. No matter how small it is, you can join my membership. This is a way to support. When you are making videos and you're seeing something on top, it will motivate you to make video. So guys, I'm bringing the vlog back. I'm not leaving it. Okay, I'm going to see you. Let's cook the jollof rice together. See, I have put what rice, okay, on fire. So let me show you. So I'm using chicken. I'm not going to be using all the chicken. Yeah, I already cooked chicken here. That's how I cook. I'll drop the remaining if I did not finish it. So this is how I make my cabbage now. Like, this thing is very easy for me. So this is the carrots. So it's very easy for me. I need to make me to use it to prepare indomie, spag, all the time that I want to prepare spag. So I'll slice it. If I buy it in bulk, I slice and put inside ziploc. Likewise, carrots. So each time I want to make indomie in the morning for the kids, it will be easy for me. And the carrots, this thing doesn't spoil like this. It can stay like a month, doesn't spoil. So I will put it inside freezer, like not down the freezer, they gather. Like if you have this deep freezer, it has something like gather. Okay, that is where I will put it. So gathers and whatever. So that is what that iron thing. So not the down. So that is where I will put it. So each time I want to, so I'll be adding it to this jollof. I said let me just let you guys know. Yeah. So guys, so I've added everything off camera. Okay, I added meat, all the things, maggi, curry, thyme, chicken stock. Okay, everything is already here. So I'm going to be topping water and allow it to boil a bit. Then I pour the rice. Okay, so carrots and the cabbage will be the last thing I'll add and cover and turn it. So yeah, so let's go. Thumbs up this video if you have not done that. Okay, so guys, this is the point we are now. Okay, so the rice is still strong. I'll be adding water. Okay, I will add some more water and allow it to boil before I add cabbage and carrots. Okay. Let's see. So this is the level we are now. Look at how colorful this is. So I'm gonna cover it. Okay. So when the thing falls, I will turn everything. I'll turn everything together. Woo! Hope this my method is not bad. Just let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so let's see how it's going to come out. All right, so thumbs up this video, subscribe if you're just coming across my channel. Okay, we are back. Our vlogging life lifestyle vlogging is back. Okay, it's not gonna die. Okay, that makes us happy. So besties, baked made rice came out so yummy. Okay, so this is the final look of this jollof rice. It came out so perfectly. Ooh. So that is it. Okay, come and eat, guys. I want to dish my kids own and my own. Okay, so I'm going to be using this rice to do mukbang. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to see you guys later in another video. Bye for now, or in another clip, I don't know. So guys, I just finished filming my mukbang video. Okay, just finished eating. Look at the way I'm sweating. The jollof rice is very yummy, seriously. Please, if you have not subscribed to my second channel, mukbang channel, Eat and Enjoy TV, do, okay? Yeah, so support me there. Alright guys, so talk to you guys later.